Don't just pay bills, build your blueprint. What if you could wake up to daily deposits, work only a few hours a day on your schedule? Stop guessing and following a proven system. The Legacy Builder Blueprint is your step-by-step guide to building online income with what you already have. Now you're going to ask me, what do I have? Well, you've got the phone, you've got a story, and a willingness to show up consistently. What will you get? Easy income methods with no tech overwhelm. How to turn your story into sales. And how to grow even with 0 followers. You've taken care of everyone else. Now it's your turn to build something that lasts. Contact me for more information via my website, or DM me, or send me an email, or just leave a comment below this video, so you can get the blueprint and start today.